Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Guys, what a day so far. We're already up on two position we took this morning, which is always good. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about why we entered, how we're already up, and honestly, my strategy, my approach. So I hope you guys all enjoy this. If you do, hit that like button, subscribe. And if you guys want to learn more about swing trading and trading in the market, check out our school. We have a massive sale going on right now for 51% off. So sign up, click that link, use that code XMAS24 to get 51% off. We have private live streams. We're actually going, on that live stream later tonight. So if you guys sign up, you guys can join today's live stream. We have a group chat where you guys can ask questions, voice concerns. And we actually just teach you to trade. It's not a get rich quick scheme. It's not alerts or anything like that. It's honest strategies that I've used over the past 7 years of trading. So check it out down below. And guys, let's jump into this bad boy. All right. So the first thing that I kind of want to talk about here is going to be the broker. Everybody always asks me, and it's Moomoo. I use Moomoo for the good charting, scanning, and indicators. I've been using them for years, and I've had zero complaints. I look at them as a trading broker, and they've done that. They're a high quality trading broker, and I'll put a link to them down below. You guys can get 20 free stocks by signing up. But let's kind of talk about this here. So as of right now, we entered two positions. The first one being BGC. BGC here, what do we notice, right? It has just this general downward trend on the hourly chart, okay? So it's kind of just selling off on this trend line, hitting this here. And so we took a nice trade on this breakout where the stock broke out above it, near and around that $9.09 mark, and just squeezed up as of right now to $9.20. So we're already up a little bit on this position, I think about $250. But, percentage-wise, we're already up 1%, which is good, right? A lot of people think that in order to make it in trading, you have to make all these crazy returns of 100, 200%, when in reality, 1, 2, 3% returns just compounded over the course of a year is what makes up a successful trader. But more importantly, why we entered this position, yes, it was on this downward trend, but more importantly, looking at this here, you guys can kind of see just the heavy amount of support we saw just kind of in this range, right? Where it hits this several times, establishing good support. We had huge sell-off from $11 all the way to $9. It's on just this general trend line as well, like such. So we have this nice trend going in our favor. We have heavy support right there. And then if we actually get these moving average lines back up, it was approaching that 200-day moving average line. So we could enter around here, keep our stop loss just below it, right about 3% down for a possible push back up to resistance. In my opinion, I think resistance is going to be around here where you can kind of see where it just has a hard time breaking above it. It gives a return of about, risk and reward of about 3.64. So risking $1, guys, to make over $3 and 64 cents. That's what makes up a successful trader. And looking at our trade return calculator that's coming to our journal very, very soon, if we started out with, and I'll put a link to our digital trading journal down below, if we did this here, risking 3% with a risk and reward of 3.6, win-loss percentage 50. So we're growing our $500 swing trading account to, at the end of the year, to over $3,000 with just good risk management. That's what makes up a good trader, right? Not about these crazy returns. It all comes down to the risk and reward, your typical risk, and your win-loss percentage. So making sure you're entering on a good price is super important as well. Also, guys, if we actually look at the RSI was trading for near and around a 31, which is a super undervalued point for the stock. So that's why we took a nice trade here. Another stock is ticker symbol SLNO. This thing has been moving and grooving. It approached that 200-day moving average line all the way on that red line here, as you guys can see, which the last time was trading for around there was all the way back, guys, was all the way back in mid-2023 where we had some great buying pressure on it. So it finally sold off down to those levels again. And what did we know? We hit it. It was undervalued on the RSI at a 29. Last time it was trading for 29, was it's been a long time back in here where we had some good moves. But now, looking at the hourly, look at this trend, right? That huge and nice trend breakout. Breaking out, you guys can see that nice trend line, got in on that breakout, and the stock's already up right now about 3%, which is another, $250. So, trading isn't these massive returns. It's just doing things consistently that you know how to do correctly, right? So great breakout trade using lower time frames, using other time frames to determine if we should enter this position. And that's what makes up trading, guys. Like I said, people think it's these glorious returns, when in reality, it's those 1, 2, 3% returns just compounded over the course of a year. If you guys want to learn how to find these stocks, check out our school. Use code XMAS24 to get 51% off. And we'll see you guys in there. Sign up with Moomoo, which is the trading broker I'm using. I absolutely love them. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Like, subscribe, and hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And take care, everyone.